Hi, my name is Mrs. Gamage. Welcome to Bret Harte Middle School's African American History Month program of 2022. We are forging through with technology. This will be a high-tech program. I hope that you enjoy the advances of technology that you'll see. And if you're a student, I hope that you start to think about how you can contribute to our next program. Our theme today is Historical Black Colleges and Universities. Liberation through education. Liberation through education means that you can gain freedom in our society by educating yourself. Before African Americans were able to go to college, right? Before equal rights, before the end of segregation, um, African Americans had to educate themselves. And what that means is that they built schools and institutions in which to advance the education of African Americans so that we could continue to engage and gain equality in American society. I invite you to flip through this book, watch the videos, and do the activities to learn more about historical Black institutions and colleges, and also the people that it has educated and how we African Americans are giving back to our American society. Thank you.